Hello guys and welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to backtest a new trading strategy from trader DNA, and today he claims that with only one of the 5 strategies told in the video, you can turn $500,000 in $6.5 million in just 3 months. Incredible result. We will be rich in just a few months. It's incredible. So today my goal is to backtest the strategy told in the video. I will backtest this one, EMA scalping with MACD, and I'm revealing you if it's really profitable and you can become rich in just a few months or not. So let's not waste any time and let's talk about the strategy. But before we start, I remember you that if you want to know more about my software, you want more info about it, or you want to backtest your strategy, write me at the mail that I will leave in the description. I'm going to backtest the strategy on these forex pairs and on the 30-minute time frame. So let's watch together some examples trade that my software took. Let's see, for example, a successful one. So this one on Euro USD at this daytime. So it was here. I will leave anyway the link of this video in the description so you can check it for the basic conditions. So for this strategy, you have to check for 2 things basically. You have to check that EMA 20 is above EMA 50 and EMA 50 above EMA 200. It didn't say a specific EMA, but it only said to check for some EMA. I choose by default these 3 EMAs. And then you have to check for a bullish MACD crossover. So what does it mean? You have to check that the blue line goes above the red line here, it happens, and then you can open a long position and you will exit your trade when the MACD blue line crosses below the MACD red line. And the other criteria it told is that you have to set a fixed stop loss to the last swing low. In this case, it was here, as you can see. And so the trade was closed here because we have the cross. So, as you can see, this one was a successful trade. Let's see another one. For example, one on the USD card. So, this one. So, this one was that one. So, here. So, here we have a short trade. So, in order to open a short trade, you have to check for the cross in the EMA. Here it happens on this candle. It must be a bearish cross, so blue line goes below the red line in the MACD, and then you can open a short position, setting the stop loss to the last swing high. So here basically. So in this case, it was a fail. Let's see last example on Euro USD. So it was here. In this case, we have the cross of the EMA here. All the EMA, the condition on the EMAs is matched. Then we have a bullish cross in the MACD, and we will set the stop loss to the last swing low. So like here, as you can see, here the last swing low, and then you have to exit if you hit the stop loss or the MACD cross, the blue line cross below the red line, and here it happens. So after here basically, so you will exit on this candle close. It was still a success, a small success, one of 5 of a normal success. So as you can see, the strategy, it doesn't seem to perform very well, and it doesn't seem to turn your money in something bigger. But let's see how it performs on the trend dataset. Oh, as you can see, it has an average success rate of 49, so very bad. It doesn't go past average success rate to break even, that is 50. And as you can see, the number of trades is also very low and it's not statistically profitable. The only good thing is that the commissions are not very high in this strategy, and as you can see, the balance with commissions it's almost similar to the balance without commissions. But in the overall, the strategy doesn't perform well at all. But let's not give up. Probably there are some statistical techniques that we can apply and turn this strategy in something really profitable. So let's not give up and let's see if we can improve it. So first of all, let's see if this strategy is more a bearish or bullish strategy. As you can see, it seems to be more a bearish strategy with 50 as average success rate. And in this case, it almost breaks even. So it's not for probably the best strategy, bearish strategy. But let's take it into consideration. But the most important filter that I added today to improve the strategy is to check for MACD crossover. I have already searched for a MACD crossover, but I searched for it in the last 5 candles because it didn't mention an interval in which you have to check for it. So I chose the 5, both for bearish and bullish. But let's try to change the interval. And what I have found that for long position, if you have checked for a MACD crossover in the last 3 candles, the new average success rate would have been like 55. But the number of trades, it's the half of before. So we are overfitting, but that's okay. It's part of the journey. We have to improve the strategy and verify if we are overfitted or not. And let's see if this condition is also matched on the short trade. And as you can see also here in the last 3 candles, 55 as average success rate. So let's change this parameter of the strategy. Let's say that we have to check for a MACD crossover in the last 3 candles. And let's see if we have improved it or not. So let's rerun again the strategy on the training dataset and let's see how it performs. Okay, as you can see now the strategy is profitable. We were able to turn it in a profitable strategy, but there is always the risk that we have overfitted the strategy. As you can see, the number of trades is very, very low. Like 400 trades are not enough for me to say that a strategy can be profitable. I would not try it live for me. So let's try anyway to run the strategy on the test dataset. And also we can see that it's not statistically profitable. We have to bear it in mind. It's not statistically profitable. So let's rerun again the strategy and let's see if we have overfitted it or not. So let's see. Oh, as you can see, we have clearly overfitted it. The new average success rate, it's not even quite, it's quite far from the one we have found before. But as you can see, also the confidence interval was very big. And yeah, the average success rate is the confidence interval we have found before. That's good. But this means that with this average success rate, we can say that it's not one of the best on this channel, surely. But yeah, that's it is. So one of these 5 trading strategies is not as profitable as it claims. This one will not turn you $500,000 in 6.5 million in just 3 months. Probably you will lose all your money. So for this video, I think is all. Let me know in the comments what you think about this strategy, and if you want me to backtest the other 4, probably they are more profitable than this one. But I remember you that these are not financial advices, I am not a financial advisor, and this video was only for entertainment purpose. Trading is very dangerous, pay attention, backtest always your strategy, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!